First, select a black-colored blank background of a specific length. Then go to the text option and type any random text twice. Go to the Edit option and use the Curve feature to bend the text into a circular shape. Now, resize the text to fit the entire screen. Next, add a keyframe. Move to the end of the text timeline, shrink and rotate the text 180 degrees, and adjust its size to match the original proportions. If needed, you can use the Edit option to view the original size of the first text. Now, copy the text. At the beginning of this new text layer, add a keyframe and make it slightly smaller than the first one. Then go to the end of the text layer, add another keyframe, and again shrink it while trying to keep the size consistent. Repeat this process until the entire screen is filled with the animated text, creating a complete motion animation.